we're gonna try how to curl your hair with water bottle. I have a short hair. I'm just gonna try one side if it's gonna work. Let's see. So I pre-cut my bottle. It's from my leftover soda. So we're gonna try it, see if it's gonna work. Okay, this said to a small piece right there. Actually, I made mine differently. I made like a hole right here. So you see how I did it. So I try nothing. Hopefully it works. Where's the hole? Okay, fail. One more time. Maybe I can hold it. And how is that so that they said it works? It ain't doing nothing. One more time. It's crazy. All going up, all going up. Let's try a bigger one. I got me a gigantic one. See if this is gonna work. I'm just gonna leave this like that. And then put this thing on like that. Does it fit? Does it even fit? Yes, it does. So, put that in. And on the it's not working. So let's go back. Try to do it again. I broke it. I'm gonna put it in. My hair is probably because it's too short. But yeah, okay, let's try it again. Okay, still straight. One more time. Maybe I should hold it. It gets really hot. That's what happens. They don't doing nothing. Nothing. It's not melting. Try it again. Try and try it until you succeed, I guess. I'll be succeeding into this battle. No. Let's hold it. nothing. My hair is still as straight as it is, and it's getting hot too. One more time. This is crazy. Whose idea is this? It ain't going anywhere, so it's a fail. Didn't work on me. Did it? It's still straight as it is. So I don't know what they're saying, but I tried the smaller one, and with the gigantic one, it didn't work. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.